These biomass pellet or wood chip units are available in a variety of sizes in both forced air and boiler systems. Using the secondary air, these forced air units have been tested at 85% efficient, making them one of the cleanest burning units the United States has to offer. It's easy to see the quality that these forced air units have to offer, with the easy to clean, large stainless steel heat exchangers giving you maximum efficiencies. All units feature a simple, easy to use 3-way control board that is 24-volt compatible. They come standard with a thermistor that can extend up to 700 feet and will interface with most poultry heating systems. Poultry houses can greatly benefit from heating with pellets or wood chips. Drier heat can decrease ammonia levels up to 60%, which will lower the mortality rate and give you a healthier bird. The many greenhouses who currently heat with propane or fuel oil have found huge savings by making the switch to heat with biomass. Our pellet furnaces allow for easy installs and substantial savings over a boiler system. Call our national sales office now at 763-261-2300 for more information and pricing.